Giant water lily. Victoria amazonica is a species of flowering plant, the largest of the Nymphaceae family of water lilies. It is the national flower of Guyana. The giant water lily grows in the shallow waters of the Amazon River basin, as well as bayous and specific lakes in Brazil. This species is native to Brazil. The species has very large leaves, up to 3 meters 10 feet in diameter, that floats on the water's surface on a submerged stalk, 7 to 8 meters 23 to 26 feet in length. The species was once called Victoria regia after Queen Victoria, but the name was superseded. V. amazonica is native to the shallow waters of the Amazon River basin, such as oxbow lakes and bayous. It is depicted in the Guyanese coat of arms. The flowers are white the first night they are open and become pink the second night. They are up to 40 centimeters, 16 in diameter and are pollinated by beetles. It is the largest water lily in the world.